Hello everyone, today I am going to show you the tutorial for home facial, which you can do by yourself for your convenience. In lockdown you will never get a beautician at home also, so it's very risky to go out and do facial. So I have some tips and tricks to do at home very simply. I have a kit from Oriflame, which is papaya kit, and it is suitable for me as my skin type is dry. So papaya is very good for dry skin, and it will remove your dirt, your patches. So this papaya kit is in the offer for this month for 50% off. So if you are planning to buy it in this month, so you will get 50% off. So if you are planning to do your facial, just follow my steps and you will be getting an awesome result. We have another facial kit which is milk and honey and turmeric kit. It is for sensitive skin, so this one is also in the offer for 50% off for the May month. So just grab the offer and enjoy your facial. So let's start with our facial. First step is our cleansing your face is must in facial. So just take some drops on your hand, wet your face, and then apply the cleanser on your face, and then just massage it in circular motion down to upward. So it will absorb by your skin, take it out all the dirts. It will help you to take it out all the dirts from your skin. And here we go, you are preparing your skin for the facial. For the nice facial, you must remember, cleanse your face nicely. If you have a blackheads, whiteheads, it is very must to cleanse and scrub your face. Cleansing will help you to loosen up the blackheads and your whiteheads. And if you have a pimples, that time it is also helping, because in dry skin you get the hard pimples. Okay, so this will help you to loosen up that hard thing from your pimple, and it will take it out, and your skin will be in a tight. So second step is our scrub. Scrub will help you to deeply clean your face skin, open your pores, which is filled by the dirt from outside, and your makeup, it's sitting there, and afterward you are facing problem for the pimples. Okay, so scrub will help you for that, and just gently massage your skin. Don't rub it very harshly. I am playing this video in faster motion, so you can see. You might be thinking I'm rubbing it very harshly, but I'm not rubbing it very harshly. Just mild pressure you need to rub your face. Okay, so next step is if you have blackheads and whiteheads, you need to take steam and then remove your blackheads, whiteheads with the help of towel. Then you need I am not having that, so I am skipping that and going for the massage. So take a cream and do massage for 20 minutes on your skin. If your skin layer is thin, you need to apply this cream for 10 to 15 minutes or less than that. As you feel the warmness in your palm, you stop there to do massage and just feel that warmness. So massage nicely. Massage will help you to regulate your blood circulation nicely in your skin, and it will delay your aging and pimple problem. If you have any other issue with your skin like open pores and patchy skin, so when you do facial and massage for 20 minutes on your skin, you will not face problem. If you are 30 years old, you must do it twice in a month. You must do it twice in a month, so you will not have the aging problem earlier. But here you can spend 800 at once, and you can do your 15 facial in it. So this is the very ideal and very economical deal. So after applying face mask, you just need to wash your face after 10 minutes, and then just go for your just enjoy your refreshing look. When you do facial, you feel refreshed, and you will not even have the effect of lockdown, because when you look great, you will see the changes in your mood also. When you look great, your mood will be nice. And look at my